Everyone thinks the best-selling Sulky for walk-behind mowers is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Jungle Wheels Black Edition. First up is the Jungle Wheels Lawn Mower Sulky Black Edition from Jungle Gyms, priced at $292.99. What caught my attention was its two-wheel design and 2-year weld warranty. If you want to maximize your mowing efficiency and achieve that professional stripe, this is worth a serious look. The rear-weighted construction helps reduce turf scalping, so your lawn looks pristine after every mow. The 10-inch wheels glide smoothly, providing excellent control. With a 4.3-star rating from over 210 reviews, it's clear this Sulky has earned its place among professionals. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to other basic models. Here's the thing though, if you're a lawn care pro, investing a bit more means better durability and performance, making it worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're a landscaping professional looking for speed and stability. Skip this one if you're just a homeowner needing occasional mowing. For the value, it definitely delivers quality that matches the cost. Now, if the price of the Jungle Wheels Black Edition is a concern, the next option has similar features but at a slightly lower price point. Product number 2, Red Jungle Wheels Sulky. Next, we have the Jungle Wheels Lawn Mower Sulky in vibrant red, also from Jungle Gyms, priced at $292.99. Its eye-catching color grabbed my attention, but what's even better is its performance. If you want a Sulky that combines speed with turf protection, this one is worth a serious look. The design helps prevent scalping and provides stability on uneven ground. With heavy-duty 10-inch wheels, it can handle tough terrains, making it perfect for daily commercial use. It has a slightly higher rating at 4.4 stars from 312 reviews, proving its reliability among users. Now, some users did mention that assembly can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, once you get it set up, the performance is smooth and you'll appreciate the ease of use. This is perfect for landscapers who want a reliable Sulky that offers both speed and protection for the turf. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to maneuver for smaller jobs. For the price, you're getting a quality product that will last. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize quick disconnect features. Product number 3, Commercial 2-Wheel Sulky Velk. Moving on to the Commercial 2-Wheel Sulky Velk, priced at $378.99. This one's from Bradley Mann, and the standout feature here is its quick-release mechanism. If you want a Sulky that makes it easy to switch between mowing and transporting, this is worth your attention. The Velk is designed to maximize the speed of your walk-behind mower while offering a platform that prevents slipping, which is crucial when you're working on slopes or wet grass. The pneumatic wheels provide smooth operation over various terrains, ensuring consistent performance. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 25 reviews, this Sulky has some loyal fans. However, a few users have reported that it can feel a bit heavy when lifting. But here's the thing, for the added stability and speed, a little weight can be a trade-off that many professionals find acceptable for the performance benefits. This is perfect for you if you need a Sulky that's easy to attach and detach frequently. Skip this if you prefer something lightweight for casual mowing. The quality justifies the investment, especially for those who need it for heavy-duty use. Now, if the Velk's price caught your attention, the next option is a bit pricier, but it offers some distinct advantages. Product number 4, Bradley Mowers Heavy-Duty Sulky. Next up is the Bradley Mowers 2-Wheel Mower Sulky, priced at $349.95. It's a solid choice for anyone using commercial walk-behind mowers, and the heavy-duty arm really caught my eye. If you want something that can handle larger mower decks, this is worth considering. This Sulky is compatible with most commercial mowers with hydraulic transmissions and a 48-inch deck or larger. It's designed for heavy-duty use, meaning it can withstand the rigors of daily landscaping jobs without faltering. Plus, it has a 4.3-star rating from 49 reviews, showing it's trusted by many. One downside is that it can be complicated to install on certain mower brands. But honestly, once you get it on, the performance shines, making it a great investment for those who need a reliable sulky for bigger jobs. This is perfect for you if you're running a landscaping business that requires heavy-duty equipment. Skip this if you have a smaller mower or only do occasional mowing. The durability makes it a worthwhile purchase for those who need it. Now, if you're looking for something even more specialized for specific mower brands, wait until you hear about the final product. Product number 5, Commercial Lawn Mower Sulky by Bradley Mann. Finally, we have the Commercial Lawn Mower Sulky that fits Metro Viking Turf Tracer stand ride-on, priced at $399.99. This sulky from Bradley Mann is designed for operators under 220 pounds, and its sturdy build is what caught my attention. If you want a sulky that maximizes speed and efficiency specifically for ride-on mowers, this one is worth a look. This sulky features a quick-release mechanism that allows for easy detachment, which is perfect if you're moving in and out of tight spaces. The anti-slip platform tread adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring you can maneuver confidently. With a 4.6-star rating from 24 reviews, users love its performance and reliability. However, some users have mentioned that it's not suitable for heavier operators. Here's the thing, if you're within the weight limit and need efficiency, this sulky delivers where it counts. This is perfect for you if you're a lighter operator looking for a specialized sulky. Skip this if you exceed the weight limit or need something more versatile for different mower types. For the quality it offers, the price is reasonable for dedicated users. So to recap, we looked at 5 fantastic sulkies. The Jungle Wheels Black Edition and its red counterpart for efficiency and turf protection, the commercial 2-wheel sulky Velk for quick detach, the Bradley Mowers heavy-duty sulky for larger decks, and finally the specialized commercial lawn mower sulky for ride-on mowers. Each offers unique benefits, so think about what features matter most for your mowing needs. Thanks for tuning in.